congratulations to the NU Bulldogs for beating the Lasal Green Archers 8-2 We have assistant coach Vicky Quintano, Reinhard Umamoy, and PJ Palacios. Coach, congratulations for the victory. It's harder, earned one, so ano man sayo sa pinakita na voice this afternoon, especially against Lasal.
Yeah, thank you for the win, no? First kay Lord, tapos would like to say thank you dun sa mga linaro talaga ng mga bata. They really wanted it since kahapon pa sa practice. Actually, hindi lang kahapon, the other day pa. You could see that they were so focused on what they're doing. They were so relaxed. They correct each other. We know that when we enter this game, alam nila yung gagawin nila.
Thank you to Reinhard. You have plus 16, 3 rebounds, and 8 points. So yun nga, very crucial to na panalo to para siyempre manatili kayo sa itaas standing. So ano yung mindset nyo heading for this match?
Yun, yung motivation lang namin yung mga preseason games kasi namin di kami nakapanalo sa Lasal. Yun lang sinasabi ng mga kuya namin na idala namin yung mga learnings namin sa mga yung kalaban namin Lasal. Yun, luckily nakuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you to PJ. You had 16 points and 2 rebounds and 2 assists. So, what can you say na yun nga, napakahirap ng dinaanan nyo para talunin nyo yung Lasal? And ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para, syempre, natili kayo sa ibabaw ng standing?
Sa akin, talagang, ayun nga, credit sa mga teammate ko sa coaches kasi talagang pinagplanuhan namin yung game plan na in-execute namin ngayong game. And ayun nga, sa mga past season, pre-season games, di namin matalo yung Lasal. Parang talagang kailangan namin gawa ng paraan kung ano yung bubutasin namin sa kanila para tagusin namin sila. So, yun nga, yung sinabi ni Coach Vic na yung after pa lang nung last game namin din, practice talagang nakapokus kami kung ano kailangan namin gawin para kung anong execution gagawin namin, kung paano namin kung anong weakness ng kalaban, kung anong strength namin talaga kailangan namin na-play as a team. And yun sa sa game ko ngayon, kasi in past 5 games sobrang sama nilalaro and ayun, parang gusto ko lang suklihan yung trust nga ng coaches and teammates ko, kaya ayun, in coming this game talagang inano ko yung mindset ko and yung focus ko na kailangan ko i-redeem yung sarili ko.
Thank you, PJ. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Rain, yung crucial stops nung fourth quarter, of course, nakuha mo yung dalawang tres mo, but yung big rebound, big steal actually on Mike Phillips. How does that bode well sa pinag-uusapan natin from the preseason na hindi lang score yung gusto mong idagdag kundi yung depensa? Parang feeling mo mas nakuha mo na ba yung ganung role mo for NU this time?
Yun nga, laging sinasabi ng mga coaches sa akin na yun talaga yung kailangan ko improve. Yung defense ko, sa ensayo, push nila ako. Coach, wala akong masabi kasi yun nga, thankful lang ako kay Lord. Yun, ginawa ko lang yung role ko, dumepensa kasi yun na yung tumatak sa isip ko na depensa talaga bago opensa.
Ano na lang masasabi niyo sa key contributions ni Reinhard no fourth quarter? Not all of his 8 points doon nung galing, pero more importantly yung nabanggit yung defensive stops yung dulo was important. Ano na masasabi niyo sa progress so far?
It will come. Alam namin, Reinhard is a very good player. It's a matter of time puputok yung mga players na to. I think they're ripe already for this season. So, we were just patient kahit sa practice, pinupukpok namin sila. And alam namin na anytime darating yon. Kaya nung pumutok na si Reinhard, when he started making those threes, and yung nakuha na yung rhythm ng game niya. Kaya di na nakakagulat kasi ginagawa naman niya yun sa practice.
PJ, 10 of your 16 points dun rin sa fourth quarter. Ano lang yung mindset nun, especially Mike Phillips yung bumabantay din sa'yo?
Yun nga. Kasi yung mga preseason games talagang iniisip ko paano ko tatagos yung defense ng Lasal since pag nasa loob ako, nakikita ko nagsusunod sila or talagang send baseline, may do-double, triple. Then parang kanina, binisualize ko lang kung anong ibibigay nila sa akin. And ayun nga, sinabi ni Coach Steph na ibibigay nila sa akin yung bola. And ayun, responsibility ko yun na kailangan panindigan ko na nasa akin yung bola. And ayun, binasa ko lang muna kung anong gagawin nila. Then ayun, doon ko tinry na atakihin. Then nakuha yung piyansa ko. Ayun nga, yung pass sa Reinhard na, which is bumalik yung piyansa niya, sinabi niya sa akin sobrang masaya din ako na nakuha niya yung piyansa niya. At least parehas kami ngayon. Ayun, nakuha namin yung piyansa namin kasi nga galing rin ako sa mga bad games ko. And yun, at least na alam ko na sarili ko na kaya ko pala na hindi like pagka nasa akin yung bola, pasa ko agad kasi takot ako na may dumodoble. Ayun, parang natagos ko na kahit dinodoble, triple ako, kailangan ko pa rin gawa ng paraan.
It's not new for any to have good starts when it comes to the UAAP. You know, the past seasons, maganda rin yung nilalaro ng sa first part of the tournament. What do you think you guys should do in the second half of this tournament to avoid yung mga collapse na nangyari sa inyo ng past seasons?
Siguro, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, I think these players are ripe already. And we've been practicing hard, mas hard kami ngayon sa ensayo. And mas more intense yung explanation namin sa kanila, what they have to do for them not to panic on this kind of situations and everything. And I think na-address naman yun ni Coach Jeff. And coming second round, mas magiging intense pa kami. I think this is it. Mas magiging intense pa kami, mas magiging maayos pa yung mga lalaroin namin.
Coach, you're playing Ateneo next week. Ateneo, of course, galing sa may Maslesh. Wet rested sila for 1 week. So, what can you say about Ateneo na kahit not to back sila, they're still looking good despite just not.
Yeah, Ateneo is really doing good, but right now, we'll take a break first. Bukas na namin iisipin yun. The coaches will meet tomorrow. The players will take a break. We'll look at the tapes again. Then, tsaka namin naayusin na sa Ateneo.
Pero ano yung look forward nyo? Siyempre ito, yes, you said, Coach, we need a break. So, ano yung kailangan gawin nyo para, siyempre, to maintain your standing and to stay?
Talagang pag-aaralan lang naman. Usually, we view the games kasi, di ba? The coaches, then afterwards, with the players, then we do the necessary adjustments. In practice, we walk it through, we run the plays of the opponent, then bibigyan namin ng depensa, titignan namin ano yung mas okay, so we plan A, plan B, plan C, tapos yun, ganun lang, tapos tuloy-tuloy na, tapos dediretso na kami sa offense namin regarding their defense. Yun lang, wala kami ibahin, tingin namin okay naman kami as of now.
Congratulations, Coach Big, Reynard, and PJ.
Thank you.